So question is 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of Diamonds are well shuffled. So basically 5 cards are there. Okay. All are of diamonds. Okay. So 10 of diamonds, J of diamonds, then Q of diamonds, King of diamonds and Ace of diamonds. These 5 cards are there and are well shuffled with their face downward. So, and one card is then picked up at random. What is the probability that card is a queen? Okay. So from 5 cards, I have to choose one card. So probability of having a queen from these 5 cards will be 1 upon 5. Is it clear? Then if queen is drawn and put aside, अब एक बार क्वीन को ड्रॉ किया उसके बाद उसको साइड में रख दिया, इट्स केप्ट असाइड. ओके, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट सेकंड कार्ड पिक्ड अप इज a as? Okay, now the card picked up is a as. So out of 4 cards, probability of picking this card will be 1/4. And yes, any doubt?
No, ma'am, I was just saying the answer.
Okay, okay. And probability of getting a queen now is, if queen is kept aside, then probability of picking up queen now will be 0. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 15. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. So basically 12 defective pens are there and 132 good ones are there. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from this lot, determining the probability that pen taken out is good one. Okay. So probability of picking a good pen. What will be the probability of picking a good pen, Siddharth?
11/13. 11/11. No, ma'am. 1/11.
12 defective ones are there and 132 good ones are there. So probability of getting a good one will be number of favorable cases 132 upon total number of cases 12 plus 132. Isn't it? So it will be 132 by 144, cutting by 12. So 12 ones are 12. This will be 12 12s are, so 11/12. Okay. Now, if the question would be, what is the probability of getting a defective pen? What would be the answer, Nirviksha? If
Ma'am, one.
अगर क्वेश्चन होता what is the probability of picking up a defective pen, what would be the answer?
Ma'am, 12/144.
Okay, good. So it would be 12/144. So 1/12. एक वे तो ये है, other way could be found. Probability of defective one is 1 minus probability of good one. This will also give us the same. Okay. So though this is not asked in the question, but you should know how to calculate the other one also. Okay. Now, next question. Question 17. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. So total bulbs are 20 and defective bulbs are, from this only, defective bulbs are 4. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that bulb is defective? Yes, Hinal. What is the probability of having a defective bulb?
1 by 5.
Okay, so number of favorable cases, that is defective bulbs, 4 upon 20. So it will be 1 by 5 this way. Okay. Second one, suppose the bulb drawn is not a defective and is not replaced. Okay. अब एक बल्ब ड्रॉ किया, ये सेकेंड क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है. इसमें क्या है कि एक बल्ब इन 20 बल्ब्स में से एक बल्ब निकाल लिया. ठीक है, इन 20 बल्ब्स में 4 तो डिफेक्टिव है और 16 गुड वंस है. अब एक बल्ब निकाल लिया एंड विच इज सपोज द बल्ब ड्रॉन is not defective and is not replaced. That means one good one is taken out. तो अब अगर एक गुड वन निकाल लेंगे तो कितने बचेंगे? 4 तो डिफेक्टिव बचेंगे और 15 गुड वंस बचेंगे. ओके, नाउ वन बल्ब इज ड्रॉन फ्रॉम द रेस्ट. What is the probability that bulb is not defective? That means we have to find the probability that bulb is good one. So not defective will be number of favorable cases is 15 and total number of cases 15 plus 4. So it will be 15 by 19. Okay, a box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. So basically डिस्क है, एक बॉक्स में 90 डिस्क है. ओके, 90 डिस्क आर देयर. सो दे हैव नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to 90. ओके, नंबर्स आर रिटन ऑन देम 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 90. Then if one disk is drawn at random, what is the probability that it bears a 2-digit number? Okay, so we have to think this way कि इतने नंबर्स में से 2-digit नंबर्स कितने होंगे. तो बेसिकली वी कैन फाइंड ओके नंबर ऑफ डिस्क हैविंग 2-digit नंबर्स विल बी टोटल आर 90. और कितने में नहीं होंगे 2-digit? 1 से लेके 9 तक. उसके अलावा बाकी सब में 2-digit होंगे एक्सेप्ट फ्रॉम 1 to 9. ओके, so 90 minus 9, okay, that is equal to 81. 81 will be having 2-digit number. So what is the probability of having 2-digit number? So probability of 2-digit number will be 81 by 90. So when we'll cut it by 9, it will be 9 by 10. Is it clear? If there any doubt is there, please ask. Kavin is typing right answer. Okay. Perfect square number. So Himani, you tell me from 1 to 90, how many perfect square numbers are there? What are they? How many?
9 are there.
9 are there. Okay, what are the numbers?
1 4 9 16 25 36 49 64 81.
Okay, very good. 64 and 81. Okay, so perfect square numbers are this. Okay, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25 and so on till 9 square. Okay, so these are the numbers. These are the perfect square numbers which are lying from 1 to 90. Okay, perfect square numbers. Okay, now we have to find the probability of perfect square number. So perfect square number will be 3, 3, 6, 9 numbers are there and total number of cases are 90. So it will be 1 by 10. Okay, now okay, Kavin, you tell me how many numbers are divisible by 5 from these numbers? How many numbers are divisible by 5 from 1 to 90? Numbers, say the numbers actually. Okay, Avni, do you know the answer? Numbers which are divisible by 5 from 1 to 90.
No.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Who is saying Dash?
Siddharth.
Siddharth. Okay, yes, Siddharth. 10.
Ma'am, 9,
9. Okay, what are the
Nine.
numbers? What are the numbers?
5,
Hmm.
10,
Hmm.
15,
Hmm.
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50,
Hmm.
55, 60,
Hmm.
65,
Hmm.
70, 75, 80, 85, 90,
So how many numbers are there?
18.
Okay. Yes, 18 numbers are there. So probability of a number divisible by 5 is equal to 18 upon 90. So it will be 1 upon 5. Okay. A child has a die whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. So a child is there. He is having a die and it has 6 faces. So usually numbers on die are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this is a other type of die which has numbers, letters written this way: A, B, C, D, E, and A. Okay. Now the die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? Okay. What is the probability of getting A on it? Okay. So, okay. So now next question. Question number 20. Suppose you drop a die at random on rectangular region shown in the figure. Okay. So figure is shown this way. Okay. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1? Diameter of circle is 1 meter. Okay. Rectangular region is given 3 meter by 2 meter. Okay. We have to find the probability that the die when thrown will fall in this region. Okay.
For pending.
So what probability of ball, or sorry, die falling in circular region will be area of circle and total place where it can fall is area of rectangle. So it will be area of circle upon area of rectangle. Area of circle is pi r square. Diameter is 1 meter. So radius will be 1 by 2 meter. So area is pi r square, that is 1 by 2 the whole square, and area of rectangle is 3 into 2. So it will be pi by 4 into 3 into 2. So it will be pi by 24. This is the answer. A lot of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Okay. So basically, there are a group of 144, a lot of 144 ball pens are there. So total ball pens equals to 144. 20 are defective pens from this only. Defective pens are 20. So good ones will be, how many will be good pens? 144 minus 20. So it will be 124. Okay. Now Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. Okay. So the shopkeeper draws one pen at random and give it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? Okay. So probability that she will buy it. When she will buy it? When it is good. So basically we have to find probability of having a good pen. Okay. So probability of good pen is 124 by 144. Okay. So we can cut it. by 4. So 4 3s are 12. 1 4 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. So it is 31 by 36. She will not bite. She will not bite. This we can find by two ways. Either we can find probability of defective. तो ये हो जाएगा 20 by 144. Okay. So cutting by again by 4, 5 by 36. And one more way of doing that probability of defective is 1 minus probability of good ones. Good. That is 1 minus 31 by 36. So this will be 36 minus 31 by 36. So it is 5 by 36. Is it clear? Question number 22. Okay. Refer to example 13. Complete the following table. Okay. So we have to complete this table. Okay. Page number 307 of your maths book. Taken? Now here you can see एक टेबल बनी है जिसमें 1 2 3 4 5 6 कॉलम में और रो वाइज दोनों लिखे हुए हैं. ओके. सम अब ये बेसिकली 1 1 1 2 ये क्या शो कर रहे हैं? ये एक्चुअली 2 डाइज एक साथ थ्रो कर रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट डाई पे 1 है और सेकेंड डाई पे भी 1 है. फर्स्ट डाई पे 1 है, सेकेंड डाई पे 2 है. फर्स्ट पे 1 है, सेकेंड पे 3 है. दिस वे इट इज शोइंग. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट सम ऑन 2 डाइज इज 2. सम ऑन 2 डाइज 2 कब हो सकता है? जब 1, 1 हो. Okay, so basically, okay, I am making it here only. 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. This way it is made. Okay, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Then it is 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2. In example 13, sum of 2. Sum of 2 कब आएगा? जब ये नंबर होंगे डाइस पे. नंबर 1 and 1 can only give us sum 2, isn't it? Now sum 3. Sum 3 can come this way. ये दोनों नंबर sum 3 दे सकते हैं. 2, 1 and basically this both numbers can give sum 3. 2, 1 and 1, 3. तो ये टोटल केसेस हैं. दिस टोटल नंबर ऑफ कॉम्बिनेशंस व्हिच कैन कम ऑन 2 डाइज आर 36. सम 3 कैन बी ऑब्टेन्ड 2 ways. One this and one this. So probability of getting sum will be 3 will be 2 by 36. How many ways can we get sum 4? How many ways can we get sum 4? Sum 4. Anybody?
मैम 3.
3 ways. These are the 3 ways. 3 1 पे भी 4 हो सकता है, 2 2 पे भी 4 हो सकता है और 1 3 पे भी 4 हो सकता है. तो probability of getting 4 will be 3 by 36. How many ways can we get sum 5?
4 ways.
Ma'am, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1,
Very good. So it is 4 ways. So it will be 4 by 36. How many ways can we get 6?
5.
So right, we can get 6 this way. 5 1, 4 2, 3 3, 2 4 और 1 5. In सब केस में. So 5 upon 36 will be the probability. Okay. How many ways can we get 7?
6, 1,
5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5 and 1, 6. So this way, this many ways we can get 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 6 by 36. Now, how many ways can we get 8? 8 is already given in the question. 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5 and 2, 6. So 8 we can get 5 by 36 ways. Then how many ways can we get 9? 6 comma 3,
6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 6.
so it is 4 upon 36. How many ways can we get 10? 6 comma 4, 5 comma 5 and 4 comma 6. So how many ways? 3 by 36
3,
will be the probability. And how many ways can we get 11?
2,
2 ways.
2.
Okay, so these are the 2 ways. 6 comma 5 या 5 comma 6. So it is 2 by 36. And 12 how many ways can we get? Only one way.
One.
जब दोनों पे 6 होगा. This. Okay. So this way you have to fill the table. Okay. अब one student argues that there are 11 possible outcomes. 11 outcomes है कौन कौन से? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Therefore, each of them has probability 1 by 11. Do you agree with this argument? So
No,
11
ma'am.
possible outcomes है. Each of them do not have probability 1 by 11 because each of them has different probability. All of them do not have equal probability. जैसे कोई कॉइन को टॉस करते हैं तो हेड और टेल दोनों के आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल है, लेकिन यहाँ पे सम 2 या सम 8 या सम 6 आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इक्वल नहीं है. ओके, सो देयरफॉर हिज आर्गुमेंट इज रॉन्ग दैट ईच ऑफ देम हैज इक्वल प्रोबेबिलिटी.